Sana dumami yung views para matulungan din ako sa campaign. Ayan. Thank you, GP. Thank you guys for all the gifts. Sorry, kinakabahan ako Nakabahan ako.
I step out in my new bikini. When they see me, keep
Thank you, GP. Thank you, Bodyzone. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much.
come over here and see me strut in my new bikini. Yeah, yeah.
Okay pa itsura ko, guys?
Skipping meals, yeah, I keep my name. I don't need no crumbs, yeah, lick the plate. These curves make him hurt, hurt, hurt. I'm good.
Thank you, Bodyzone. Okay pa itsura ko?
Work, work, I know what I serve, serve, serve. It's gonna keep you full all day. I step out in my new bikini. Heads turn when they see me, keeping it ocean breezy. Yeah, 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 yeah. Might wanna be me, come over here. and
Okay
see me
ba?
strut in my new bikini. Yeah, 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 it's like that.
Hello.
Just like
Hoy, Heartless, nakita ko yung post ko. Ay, yung post mo talaga naman,
in my new bikini. Heads turn when they see me, keeping it ocean breezy.
Totoo ba?
Oh my God, look how
Kunwari nga manika ko ngayon.
I make her real
Hello, everyone!
fall.
So, by 11 p.m. po, tayo ay nasa TikTok PH. Kaya, sana magstay po kayo. Panoorin niyo po ako. On stage po tayo ng 11 p.m. sa TikTok Philippines. Kaya nakaayos po ako ngayon. Hello, everyone. Please follow me. Thank you so much. Please support me. Sana magstay po kayo. May hinanda po ako mga performances later. Thank you so much, everyone.
Might wanna be me, come over here and see me strut in my new bikini. Yeah, 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 it's like
Thank you, Ate Elise.
just like that.
Ate, magkape na tayo. Hello, everyone! Sana magstay po kayo. Nasa TikTok spotlight po ako later.
Boy, love on my skin, never been this deep. So tight
Teka lang, nagpapaganda pa ako eh. Charot.
when you see me, keeping it ocean breezy.
Hello, Mart. Hello, everyone.
Be me, come on.
Sa mga moderators ko, guys, kayo na bahala
It's like that,
Tulungan niyo ko.
just like that.
Thank you, Ate Elise. I love you so much. Thank you, ate ko.
When they see me, keeping it ocean breezy. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Hoy, wag niyo ko ibabash dun ha. Sinasabi ko sa inyo. Baka mamaya ibash niyo.
Haven't you heard?
I'm the internet girl.
I'm getting out of here.
Eat zucchini.
Nagpapa-energy lang ako eh habang wala pa para may energy tayo. Thank you everyone. Keep tapping the screen guys. Thank you so much. By 11 p.m. nasa TikTok Philippines po tayo. On stage po tayo by 11 p.m. 1 minute na lang. Thank you kuya.
Girl, every picture
Ayan na guys.
is oh my God, it's her. What's the word on the internet, girl? Get your screen so hot, oh, you better take a screenshot. Haven't you heard on the internet, girl? Yeah, it isn't my fault.
Kinakabahan ako.
My turn. What's the word? What's the word on the internet, girl? 10 out of 10, yes, not maybe. That's just how my mama made me. It's all to
Kinakabahan ako. Kinakabahan ako. Kinakabahan ako.
I'm getting out of here.
eat zucchini.
Bakit ang tagal? 1 minute na lang. Bakit ang tagal? Ayun na. 8, 7, 6. Whew! Whew! Kalma. Hello everyone! Hello! Hello! Hello everyone! I'm Amalong 48 man! Hello! Hello guys! Hello everyone! I'm Amalong 48 man! Your darling with a golden voice who moves with such poise. Meron po ako mga hinandang performance para sa inyo. Kaya ayan, sana magstay po kayo at supportahan nyo rin po ako sa campaign na Wonderful Moments Music Festival. Thank you everyone! Thank you so much! Thank you for all the gifts! Thank you so much guys! Salamat po ng marami! Ayan. So, meron po ako mga hinandang performances para sa inyo. Sana magustuhan nyo. At sana, ayan, supportahan nyo po ako. Maraming salamat po. Thank you for all the gifts. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone. So, ayan. Okay, kakanta muna ako ng aking panimulang kanta. Pero papayag ba tayo ng hindi ibibirit? Syempre, ibibirit natin to agad. Okay. Keep tapping the screen, everyone. Thank you so much for all the support. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys, for all the gifts. Hold up, now you did a bow bow. I ain't not you to walk me house around town. Just cause I pocket, woo, now I'm sound. That doesn't mean I'm never gonna take your line down, baby. Oh, I'm a machine when I do it. I've been catching fire, gasoline when I do it, yeah. Just cause I pocket, woo, now I'm sound. That doesn't mean I'm never gonna take your line down. You're the man, but I got the power. You make rain, but I make it shower. Yes, I know I'm the one who's in control. I'll let you come take the wheel unless you don't forget. Who got the power? I got the power. I got the power. Hold up. I don't think it's easy, tick-tock, boom like gasoline. Yeah, they call me a Lamborghini, cause I know just what I'm worth. It's a 0 to 100, but body make it start. Start the engine pushing button, cause I'm gonna be call me first. Yeah, oh, I'm a machine when I do it. I've been catching fire, gasoline when I do it. Just cause I pocket, whoop, down sound. That's a man, I'm never gonna take a line down. You're the man. I got the power. You make rain, but I make it shower. Yes, I know I'm the one who's in control. I'll let you come take the wheel long as you don't forget. Yeah. Who got the power? I got the power. Hi, I got the power. I got the power. Who got the power? I got the power. I got the power. I got the power. Who got the power? Don't be fucked, get you better in the arms of an animal. Get you thinking that I'm all innocent, wait till I get you home. Thank you so much, everyone, for all the gifts. Everyone. Motorbike. Hey! Woo! You're the man, but I got the power. You make rain, but I make it shower. Yes, I know I'm the one who's in control. I'll let you come take the wheel unless you don't forget. You make rain, but I make it shower. Yes, I know I'm the one who's in control. I'll let you come take the wheel unless you don't forget. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. I got the power. Oh, I got the power. Motorbike, bike. Woo. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. So that was my first song. Thank you so much, everyone. Maraming salamat po. Sana po magstay kayo. Marami po akong hinandang performance para sa inyo. Keep tapping the screen, everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for all the gifts. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much for the treasure box. Okay. For my next song, Ito po ay kinanta ko sa tawag ng tanghalan. Gusto ko pong i-perform sa inyo muli. Ayan, para marinig niyo naman ng live. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much po. The song is Bang Bang by Jessie J. She got a body like an hourglass, but I can give it to you all the time. She got a booty like a Cadillac, but I can send you into overdrive. Oh, you've been waiting for that, oh na 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 na. How to swing your bed, saying that body could be bad to you. You need a good girl to blow your mind. Hot bang bang into the room. I know you want it bang bang all over you. I'll let you have it. Wait a minute, let me take you there. Wait a minute to you. Bang bang, there goes your heart. I know you want it bang bang. Sit on my car. I'll let you have it. Wait a minute, let me take you there. Wait a minute to you. She might let you hold your hand in school, but I will show you how to graduate. No, I don't need to hear you talk to talk. Just come and show me what your mama got. Oh, you get it big with this whole mouth, but don't say a thing. See anybody could be after you. You need a good girl to blow your mind. Bang bang into the room. I know you want it. Bang bang all over you. I'll let you have it. Wait a minute, let me take you there. Wait a minute to you. Bang bang, there goes your heart. Hi, bang bang, see you on the car. Hi, wait a minute, let me take you there. Wait a minute to you. Ooh, let me show you how it's done. It's best was cut with freeze and a ball and stick full try to out. Oh, so when you got to win a little bit, dip it in the pole blue floor. Joe, get it so good, it's tripping on the girl out. Edge of that can't go. Batman, Roman, and Batman, cocking and queen, you can dominate promenade. B to the A, yeah, yeah. B to the A, yeah, yeah. See, anybody can be good to you. You need a pet, you're back at a boy on your mind. Oh, na 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 na. Wait a minute, bam, 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 bam. Wait a minute, bam, 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 bam. Wait a minute, let me take you there. Wait a minute, let me take you there. Yeah. Bakit may ganun sa dulo? Ayun, thank you so much everyone. Maraming salamat po. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for all the gifts. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much. Keep tapping the screen. Thank you so much for all the gifts, guys. Maraming salamat po. Sana po supportahan niyo po ako for the campaign. Thank you everyone. Again, sa mga hindi po nakakilala sa akin, I'm Emanol48 Madge, your darling one of golden voice who moves with such voice. Hello, Ate Ree. Hello, Ate Elise. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you, guys. Thank you, everyone, for all the gifts. Maraming salamat po. Thank you, everyone. Ayan. So, hindi tayo mag-waste ng time. Hindi tayo mag-waste ng time. Okay. Maraming nagsasabi sa akin, ayan, ano ba yung sinasabi ko? Ay, nakalimutan ko eh. Pero ayan, ang next song ko po ay, familiar ba kayo sa Defying Gravity? Familiar ba kayo sa Defying Gravity? Kung gusto niyo po marinig ang PFC, mag-stay kayo para marinig natin ang PFC Birit. Ayan. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much for all the gifts. Ayan. Thank you so much. Okay. For my next song, Defying Gravity, guys. Keep tapping the screen. Thank you so much. Something Something has changed within me. Something is not the same. I'm through with playing by the rules of someone else's game. Thank you, Ron. Thank you, everyone. Too late for second guessing. Too late to go back to sleep. It's time to trust my instincts. Close my eyes and leap. It's time to try defying gravity. I think I'll try defying gravity, and you can't pull me down. Thank you everyone for all the gifts. Thank you so much. I'm through accepting limits, 'cause someone says we're so. Some things I cannot change, but till I try and never know. Too long I've been afraid of losing love. I guess I've lost. Well, if that's love, it comes in much too high a cost. And tonight, defying gravity, kiss me goodbye. I'm defying gravity, and you can pull me down. Thank you, Shayna. Thank you, everyone. It's me. So if you can't find me under the western sky, as someone told me lately, everyone deserves the chance to fly. And if I'm flying solo, at least I'm flying free. To those who surround me, take a message back from me. Tell them how I'm defying gravity. I'm flying high, defying gravity, until I'm matched in the arena. And nobody in all of us knows that there is a one who's ever gonna bring me down. Bring me down. Parang, ayun, salamat po. Medyo nagulat ako, no? Hindi po planado yung huli, no? Opo. Thank you so much, everyone, for all the gifts. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng support. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much. Salamat po ng marami. Thank you so much. Okay. Gusto niyo ba ng rap? Press 2. Press 2 kung gusto niyo ako marinig mag-rap. Mag-rap na ba tayo? Mag-rap na ba tayo? Thank you everyone for all the gifts. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much, guys. Ano pa bang irarap natin? Eh di ang favorite. Hey! My next song is Bagsakan by Parokya ni Edgar. Thank you, everyone! Nandito na si Chito Miranda. Nandito rin si Kiko, si Francis Magalona. Nandito rin si Glock dahil wala siyang apelyido. Magbabagsakan dito, nauna si Chito. Di ko alam kung ba't ako kasama dito. Sama-sama sa mga pasabog nila, di ko matiglak astig. Patinig ka ng bitik, teka muna, teka lang. Inom mo ng tune, shift sa segunda bago mapatumba. Dapat makaisip ka ng rhyme na maganda at madulas ang pagbigkas. At astig baka baka sakaling marinig ng libo-libo na Pilipino nakikinig sa mga pabibo ko. Di ka ba naguulit sa mga naganap? Di ko nilala kung bakit ako sikat. Para bang panaginip na pinilit makapit talagang sinusulit na pagiging makulit. Kailangan galingan, di na kayang tapat at tutugan ng parok na ang samahan. Paano to wala na akong masabi? Ngunit kailangan gumalo ng mga labi ko ito. Kunyari nagbabaka sakali na magaling, din ako kaya nasa liga. Si Chico Miranda, nandito na si Kiko, si Francis Magalona, nandito rin si Glock 9, wala siyang apelido. Ha! Ha! Era Uzi on in rap, triggers on the maximum, not a 45 or a 44 Magnum, and it ain't even a 357, no 12 gauge, but a mouse hole. Listen na, dito na si Kiko at kasama ko si Chito was a Glock 9, and it's time to rock right. Di ko mapigil na lumabas sa mga salita sa aking bibig na di pa dati ang bunganga, halato mo nga, lakas na papahanga sa talento, ako'y taga-kalento, ba't namuduloy na ngayon nakatera sa antipolo, sumasaklolo sa mga hip-hop, pwede ka rin o pwede rin tripla. Si Glock kasama ng parokya, parang bulagahan at kailangan di mabokya, di mo na kailangan pa malaman kung bakit pa kaming lahatin nagsama-sama. Mic check, eto na nagsan na ang fire sa first maglalagay na ng parokya. 1, 2, 3, 4, let's go live! Hi! Thank you everyone, thank you so much for all the gifts! Eto na, nandito na si Glock 9, wala siyang apelido. Magbabagsakan dito, kailangan ng mag-ingat, at ang huling bagsakan, singat na ng babana. At ako doon sa langit na maibagalit, bawala na kasi mamot, baka lalo ko pumangat, pero okay lang. Di naman kami mga suplado sumabay, kasama na parang naka-aeroplano sa tunog ng gitara. Kasama na pinakumalupit na banda, ba't si Kiko magaling, di pa rin kain tapatang, para awit talaga mo binibalik-balik ka. Stop, rewind, and play go. Napakasay na para bang birthday ko. Alam mo na siguro ibig ko sabihin, hindi na kailangan po pa ito. Baka lalong matagalan lang, lumapit na pakinig para yung maintindihan. Mga silito sinulat na hindi ko papela, pero pwedeng ilatag na parang baling dahil kaapag hinawa ka ng mikropono parang nabubuwang. Tingin din ako siguro, kailan pag gumagawa kami ng bago, medyo mabilisa, di mo naisip na pwede mangyari magkasama-sama lahat ay kasaligay. Nang iisa bibig, mag-ingat ka, baka masindak sapagkat nandito na si Chito at si Kiko at si Glock. Hiningal ako. Hiningal ako. Nakakahingal pala. Ano yung mga song choices natin ngayon? Nakakahingal pala siya. Ano? Ayan. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much for all the gifts. Maraming salamat po. Thank you everyone. Keep tapping the screen guys. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Salamat po na marami. Ayan. So marami pa akong hinandang performances dito. Meron tayo yung mga OPM songs din na medyo kinagigiliwan, medyo laging pinakikinggan ng mga kabataan ngayon. Ayan. So, kung gusto niyo marinig ang PFC later, magstay po tayo para makabirit pa tayo ng maigi. Thank you so much guys for all the gifts. So much appreciated. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you so much guys. Okay. So, etong next song ko, etong next song ko, nakita ko kasi, inom lang ako water, may nag-request, alam niyo ba yung Die on This Hill? Naka-curious ba kayo kung paano ko siya kantahin? Ayan, please follow me everyone. Maraming salamat po. Ayan, kung gusto niyo marinig, ayan, stay lang po kayo. Thank you so much. Thank you, Jayo. Thank you everyone. Maraming salamat po. Oh, yun ang teacher! My next song is Die on This Hill. Thank you, everyone. Caught me to stay, said that you need me. Stop, 'cause it's words don't ever mean it. No, they don't. At least not to me. There'll be a day I'll be more creative, a poetic way to say that I'm leaving to the world, not to your face. reach out to be loved and nothing more. And you kept your word. Do you want it at all? The way that someone leaves this world is all just levels. Tell me now. Oh, tell me now. I'll take my pride, standing for you. No, I'm not blind, just seeing it through. You take my life just for the thrill. Well, I'll take tonight and die on this hill. I always will. I'll be here the whole night. I'll be here 'cause I care. Yeah, I know you don't care. I know nothing can matter. God, I wish something mattered to you. I'll take my pride, standing for you. No, I'm not blind, just seeing it through. You take my life just for the thrill. Well, I'll take tonight and die on this hill. Always, always, will. Ayan. Thank you everyone. Salamat po. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Ayan. Thank you so much everyone. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Keep tapping the screen everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you so much everyone. If you want to see more of my performance, please stay and please help me for the Wonderful Moments Music Festival campaign. Please keep tapping the screen, everyone. Thank you so much for all the support. Thank you so much. Okay. So, dahil tuloy-tuloy ang power na songs natin, mag-chill song muna tayo. Chill ba to? Siguro naman. Alam niyo ba yung Nandito Ako? Kasi parang favorite to ng marami. Alam niyo ba yon? Yung Everybody Sing? Kantahin ba natin? Students, kantahin ba natin? Yes. Okay. Mayroon ako nais malaman. Maaari ba magtanong? Alam mo ba, matagal na kitang iniibig. Matagal na akong naghihintay. Ngunit mayroon kang ibang minamahal. Kung kaya't ako'y di mo pinapansin. Ngunit ganun pa man, nais kong malaman mo. Ang puso kong ito'y para lang sa'yo. Everybody say! Nandito ako, umibig sa'yo. Kahit na nagdurugaw ang puso. At kung sakaling iwanan ka niya, huwag kang mag-alala. May nagmamahal sa'yo. Nandito ako. Thank you everyone. Keep tapping the screen, guys. sakit naman nun. Ngunit ganun pa man, o nais mong malaman mo, ang puso kong ito'y para lang sa'yo. Everybody sing! Nandito ako, umiibig sa'yo, kahit na nagdurugaw ang puso. At kung sakaling iwanan ka niya, huwag kang mag-alala, may nagmamahal sa'yo. Nandito ako, nandito ako, umiibig sa'yo, kahit na nagdurugaw ang puso. At kung sakaling iwanan ka niya, huwag kang mag-alala, may nagmamahal sa'yo. Nandito ako. Oh, nandito ako. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for all the gifts. Maraming salamat po. Ayan, thank you so much. Uy, oo nga. Wala si Kuya Arman? Hindi ako lang napansin. Wala si Kuya Arman. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone. Keep tapping the screen, guys. Thank you so much. Uy, kayo fake news talaga kayo. Andito pala si Kuya Arman. Kayo talaga. Keep tapping the screen, everyone. If you want to see more of my performance, please stay po. Thank you too much. Thank you, everyone. Miss ko kayo lahat. Eh, na naman. Nagsiselos na naman sila, oh. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much for all the gifts. Thank you so much. Ayan. Thank you so much. So, try naman natin yung ganitong genre naman ng song. Familiar ba kayo sa On My Own? By Lea Salonga?
Iba't ibang
Ay, sorry po. Thank you, everyone. Keep tapping the screen, guys. Thank you so much. Keep tapping the screen, guys. Thank you so much. On my own, pretending he's beside me. All alone, I walk with him till morning. Without him, I feel his arms around me. And when I lose my way, I close my eyes and he has found me. In the rain, the pavement shines like silver. All the lights are misty in the river. In the darkness, the trees are full of starlight, and all I see is me forever and forever. And I know it's only in my mind that I'm talking to myself and not to him. And although I know that he is blind to staring everywhere. The streets are full of strangers. I love him, but every day I'm learning. All my life I've only been pretending. Without me, his world will go on turning. The world is full of happiness that I have never known. I love him. I love him. I love him, but only on my own. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much, Vanessa. Thank you, Esteban. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much for all the gifts, everyone. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. So, gusto niyo ba makarinig ng Disney song? So, kung nagtataka po kayo, bakit hindi po ko nagpapahinga, I am maximizing the time. Maximizing the time! Hindi. Kasi 1 hour lang po tayo. So, gusto ko pong maipakita talaga yung mga kaya ko na kantahin. Mga iba't ibang genres. Ayan. Yes. Water break muna, teacher. Gusto niyo ba makarinig ng Disney song? Gusto niyo ba ng fun cutesy song? Opo, teacher. Kailan niyo pa ako naging teacher? Sige nga. So sa lahat ng naandito, teacher niyo pala ako. Students? Thank you guys for all the gifts. Thank you so much. Okay. For my next song, For the First Time and Forever. Ayan. This is a cutesy fun song. It's a Disney song from Frozen. Bagay sa outfit ko ngayon. The window is open, so that door. I didn't know they did it anymore. I knew we only 1,000 salad plates. For years of empty halls. Why have a ballroom with no walls? Finally, they're opening up the gate. There'll be actual real life people. It'll be totally strange. Why am I so ready for this change? For the first time in forever, there'll be music, there'll be light. For the first time in forever, I'll be dancing through the night. Don't know if I'm elated or gassy, but I'm somewhere in the zone. 'Cause for the first time in forever, I won't be alone. I can't wait to meet everyone. Oh, what if I meet the one? Tonight, imagine counting all, fragilely draped against the wall, the picture of sophisticated grace. I suddenly see him standing there, a beautiful stranger, tall and fair. I wanna stuff some chocolate in my face, but they will laugh and talk all evening, which is totally bizarre. Nothing like the life I've led so far. For the first time in forever, there'll be magic, there'll be fun. For the first time in forever, I could be noticed by someone. And I know it is totally crazy to dream and find romance. But for the first time in forever, at least I've got a chance. Ayun. Thank you, everyone. Salamat po. Nagustuhan niyo ba yun? Press 2 kung nagustuhan. Press 2 kung nagustuhan. Press 2 kung nagustuhan. 2. 2. Ayan. Gusto niyo pang mag-isa pang Disney song? Gusto niyo bang isa pang Disney song? Thank you guys for all the gifts. Maraming salamat. Gusto niyo ba yung part of your world? Bet niyo ba yon? Part of your world? Mga students, gusto niyo ba yung part of your world? Sige. Sayawin tuloy. Ano, magbabudots na naman tayo. Kantahin natin yung part of your world. Thank you guys for all the gifts. Maraming salamat po. Thank you for supporting me.
Play with horse, hop and play with
Thank you so much po for supporting me sa sinalihan kong campaign. Maraming salamat po. Okay. Thank you guys for all the gifts. Baby is right. Charis. The matter with me? Okay. Look at this stuff, isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm the girl who has everything? Look at this trove, treasures untold. How many wonders can one cavern hold? Looking around here you think, sure, she's got everything. I've got gadgets and gizmos aplenty. I've got oozes and wanteds galore. You want thingamabobs? I've got 20. But who cares? No big deal. I want more. I wanna be where the people are. I wanna see them dancing, walking around on those, what do you call them? Oh, feet. Flipping your fins, you don't get too far. Legs are required for jumping jacks, say, strolling along down a, what's that word again? Street. Up where they walk, up where they run, up where they stay all day in the sun, wandering free. Wish I could be part of that world. What would I give if I could live out of these waters? What would I pay to spend a day warm on the sand? That's all land. They understand, but they don't reprimand their daughters. Bright young women, sick of swimming, ready to stand, ready to know what the people know. Asking my questions and get some answers. What's a fire and what is it? What's a weapon? When it's my turn, who did I love? Love to explore the shore above. Out of the sea, wish I could be part of that world. Thank you so much for all the gifts, guys. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much po. Parang gusto ko kantahin yung Satisfied. Alam ko hindi magiging perfect ang pagkakakanta ko ng Satisfied, pero parang gusto ko siyang kantahin. Agree ba kayo? O basta hindi to perfect ha. Hindi to magiging perfect, pero ayan. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much for all the support. I am so sorry, hindi ko na po nababanggit. At hindi na po ako nakakapag-thank you sa lahat ng gifts, but I'm very, very thankful. I'm very grateful to you guys. Thank you so much for all the gifts. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much. Thank you guys for, oh, happy 100k tap taps. Thank you everyone for tapping the screen. Thank you so much. Okay, let's sing Satisfied. Thank you po. Sana familiar kayo with this song, no? So, ayan. Thank you so much, Rod. Thank you. Salamat po. Thank you, Papa J. Thank you, everyone.
That's what I'm talking about! Now everyone, give it up for the maid of honor!
Itatry ko lang to, guys, ha? Practice lang, practice. I toast the crew
To the groom, to the groom,
to the bride from your sister who is always by your side to your union, and I hope that you provide, that you'll always be satisfied. Rewind, rewind, helpless. I remember that night I just lied. I remember that night I just lied. I remember that night, I remember that. I remember that night I just murmured at the night for the rest of my days. I remember those soldier boys tripping over themselves to win our praise. I remember that dream like candlelight, like a dream that you can't quite place. But Alexander, I'll never forget the first time I saw your face. I have never been the same. Intelligent eyes and a hungry pan frame. And when you said hi, I forgot my damn name. Same heart afraid, every part of flame. This is not a game. Thank you,
As a woman
everyone.
who's never been satisfied.
I'm sure I don't know what you mean. You forget yourself.
Like me, I'm never satisfied.
Is that
I've
alright?
never been satisfied.
My name is Angelica Schuyler.
Alexander Hamilton.
Even his own, where's your family from?
Important, there's a million things I haven't done, but just you wait, just you wait.
So this is what it feels like to match with someone you love. What the hell is a cat? It's the feeling of freedom of seeing the light. It's better frankly with a key in the K. You see it, right? The conversation lasted 2 minutes, maybe 3 minutes. Everything was right. Sorry guys, ulit.
Important, there's a million things I haven't done, but just you
Umulit. Sorry guys.
just you wait.
So this is what it feels like to match with someone you love. What the hell is a cat? It's the feeling of freedom of seeing the light. It's better frankly with a key in the K. You see it, right? The conversation lasted 2 minutes, maybe 3 minutes. Everything was in a total agreement. It's a dream and it's a bit of a dance, a bit of a posture, it's a bit of a stance, it's a bit of a flirt, but I'ma give it a chance. I asked about his family, do you see his hands? His sergeant, a fidget thinking like a scat. His panelist is flying by the seat of his pants. Hands on board, does he know it? Reach first and he can't ever go it. I wanna take him far away from this place and I'll turn it to my sister's face. And she is helpless, and I know she is helpless, and her eyes are just helpless. And I realize three fundamental truths at the exact same time.
Where are you taking me?
I'm about to change your life.
By all means, lead the way.
I'm a girl in a world in which my only job is to marry rich. My father has no son, so I'm the one who has the social plan for one. So I'm the oldest and the wittiest and the gossip in New York City is insidious. And Alexander's penniless, doesn't mean I want him any less. Thank you, everyone. My sister. It's up to me, cause I'm his kind of sister. But that of is so satisfied. Have to be naive to set that aside. Maybe that is why I introduced him to Eliza. Now that's his right. Nice going Angelica, he was right. You will never be satisfied. Thank you, buddy, so thank you,
If
much.
it takes fighting more for us to meet, it will have been worth it.
I'll leave you to it. I know my sister like I know my own. But you will never find anyone as trusting or as kind. If I tell her that I love him, she'd be silently resigned. He'd be mine, she would say I'm fine, she'd be lying. But when I fantasize not as Alexander's eyes, as I romanticize what might have been if I had inside him up so quickly, at least my life. At least I keep his eyes in my life. Thank you, Vanessa. To the ground, thank you, moms. To the pride, from your sister, who is always by your side. To your union, and I hope that you provide. May you always be satisfied. She'll be happy as his pride, and I know he will never be satisfied. I will never be satisfied. Thank you, Marisol. Thank you so much, moms. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. Salamat po. Thank you, Hydrox. Thank you so much. Ayan. Nagustuhan niyo ba yun? Sorry guys, hindi masyadong malinis. Pero ayun, sana nagustuhan niyo po yung song na yun, no? Uy, hello, Con! Hello! Thank you, Sam. Thank you, Buddy Zone. Thank you so much, everyone. Nagustuhan niyo ba yun? Sana nagustuhan niyo yun, ano? Okay. For my next song, I know most of you are familiar with this song. So it's Rise Up, guys. Familiar ba kayo sa Rise Up? Okay. Keep tapping the screen, guys. Thank you so much. You're broken down and tired of living life on the merry-go-round, and you can't find a fighter, but it's sitting in you, so we're gonna walk it out and move mountains. We're gonna walk it out and move mountains. Oh, rise up, rise like the day. Oh, rise up, oh, rise unafraid. Oh, rise up, now do it 1,000 times again. Oh, rise up, howl like the waves. Oh, rise up, in spite of the ache. Oh, rise up, now do it 1,000 times again. For you, for you, for you, for you. Silent and sit quiet. It feels like it's getting hard to breathe, and I know you feel like dying, but I promise we'll take the world to its feet. Move. Okay guys, na-realize ko po, 10 minutes na lang pala tayo. So, kinalahati ko na lang. Sorry everyone. Kinalahati ko na lang yung Rise Up kasi magpi-PFC pa po tayo, tsaka kakantahin po natin ang Stay With Me. So, unahin na po natin ang Stay With Me, tapos ihuli natin ang PFC. Sorry guys, patawarin niyo ako, hindi ko po namalayan yung oras. Okay, so if you guys are familiar with the song, Stay With Me. So, this is a Japanese song, guys. To you, yes, my love to you. Yes, my love to you. To you. Hey! 私は私、あなたはあなたと
Di sasayangin ang oras at pag
あなたは誰き帰らないでと泣いたあの季節が今目の前 Stay with me 口癖言いながら二人の時を抱いてまだ忘れず大事にしていた、恋と愛とは違うものだと夢言われたそうな気もするわ二度目の冬が来て離れていたあなたの心振り返ればいつもそこにあなたを感じていたの Stay with me 真夜中など出てき心に穴が開いたあの季節が今目の前 Stay with me 寂しさは紛らわして置いたレコードの針同じメロディー繰り返していたThank you everyone for all the gifts. Stay with me. 真夜中など出てき帰らないでと泣いたあの季節が今目の前 Stay with me 口癖言いながら二人の時を抱いたまだ忘れず温めてた Stay with me Thank you everyone Thank you so much Ayan, thank you everyone. So mag-PFC na tayo. Habang nagpi-PFC tayo, dahil 4 minutes na lang, magpapasalamat na ako habang nakanta. Grabe, di ba? Nag-multitask. Kaya natin yan. Siyempre, tatayo tayo. May kasamang sayaw dapat to. Hindi pwedeng wala. Yan. yung biret, stay po kayo. Hey! Maraming salamat po sa mga sumuporta sa akin sa Wonderful Moments Music Festival campaign. Thank you, everyone! Gusto kong ako ang magsabi sa'yo, pero nawala ang thank you, Boy Beats! Thank you, everyone! Di mo naman ako gusto. Yeah! Iyan kang kakaiba, ibibirit ko na ba? Sa motohan laging nangunguna, minumahal ng mga tadhana. Please, 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 oh baby, pansinin din ako, oh pag-ibig. Thank you, everyone! Thank you! Happy! Maraming thank you po sa lahat na sumuporta sa akin. Whew. Ayan. So, I feel like nag-end na rin yung music festival. Tama ba ako? Huh? Ay, kinakalculate pa lang. Ayan guys, so gusto ko pong magpasalamat sa inyo. Thank you so much po sa lahat ng suporta guys. Maraming thank you so much Boy Beats! Thank you so much for the Galaxy Boy Beats! Thank you so much! Salamat po! Salamat! Ayan. Ba't ka tumatawa Boy Beats? Thank you so much, Boy Beats. Thank you so much. Ayun. Everyone, I want to thank y'all. Thank you so much for your presence and your support. I'm so happy na talaga nandyan kayo kahit anong mangyari. Maraming salamat sa supportan nyo, guys. Hindi ko makakalimutan talaga lahat ng ginagawa nyo for me. Promise yan. Sobra akong thankful sa inyo. Thank you so much po sa mga sumuporta sa akin. For the Wonderful Moments Music campaign, Wonderful Moments Music Festival campaign, tayo po ay pang-11, everyone. Pang-11, everyone. TikTok Philippines, 11. Sa lahat ng nag-register, 11. Hello? Diba guys? Kahit hindi tayo nakapasok sa top 4, malaking bagay sa akin yun. Achievement pa rin sa akin yun. Like the live fest, diba? Last time, pang 37 tayo. TikTok PH, 37? sa silver, o di ba? Malaking achievement na sa akin yon. Kaya gusto kong magpasalamat sa inyo. Maraming salamat, guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate you a lot and super akong grateful. Super akong grateful to have you guys. Super talaga. Kaya maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat sa patuloy na pagsuporta sa akin. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po. Thank you everyone. Maraming salamat talaga. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you everyone. Hindi ako iiyak. Maganda makeup ko eh. Ayoko. Maganda makeup ko. Hindi ako iiyak. Pero yun, maraming salamat talaga guys. Super thank you. Pinagandaan ko talaga to. Actually, itong sige, sabihin ko na nga. Itong damit ko, binili ko lang to kanina sa ukay. Kasi sabi ko, gusto ko maganda ako. Sabi ko, nasa TikTok Philippines uli ako. Sabi ko, gusto ko maganda ako. Tapos eto, pin talaga to sa damit. Ginawan lang namin ng paraan. Ayan. Tapos, ayun. Thank you so much. Ninong muna ako. Ukay, yes. Gusto ko ba mag-ukay haul tayo? Gaya na nabili ko kanina actually. 3,100 na dress. So, magkano lang to? 35 pesos, guys. 35 pesos si Teacher Madge. Pero, ang ganda, di ba? Ang ganda, di ba? Uy, tigilan niyo ako dyan sa mga nakasabit-sabit na yun. Sinasabi ko sa inyo. Ayun, thank you everyone. Salamat po ng marami. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Ano ba yan? Bakit ang dami kong ninong? Ayun. Sino ba kamukha ako? Ano naman Lasal yan dito? Animo Lasal. Ate, Animo Lasal pala. Ano ba yan? Animo Lasal pala. Ngayon ko lang na-realize. Sa mga Lasal yan dito. Ayan. Ay, gusto niyo ba ako screenshot? Or wala kayong pakialam? biglang nagmaldita, no? After mag-thank you, sumama uli ugali. Gusto niyo ba ako screenshot? Or wag na? Ayan niyo. Wag na nga. Ayoko na nga. Mag-i-end na ako. Cut post na. Sige. Forever! Ay. Late. Thank you, Body Song! Thank you so much, Body Song! Thank you so much po! Thank you so much, Body Song! Thank you so much! Okay, post. Uy, hanggang grade 10 ako sa Lasal. Ay, talaga, hindi niyo ako kilala. Ayoko na nga. Okay. Nursery to grade 10 ako sa Lasal. Hindi niyo alam. Hindi niyo talaga ako kilala. Ayoko na mag-post. Charis. Okay. Kasi maan mo matter. Thank you, Zil! Thank you so much! Thank you so much! Thank you so much! Hello, Ate Yvette! Sorry po, nagpo-post ako dito. Ayan. Ayan, thank you everyone. Ay! Thank you everyone. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Bawal. Thank you, Ate Ria! Hala! Emoji ako ni Ate Ria. Wala, ayoko, nakiniklig na ako. Ay! Thank you, Ate Ria! Thank you so much. Forever. Jeremy, you're so late. Forever. O, di ba? May leave Jesus in our hearts forever. May ganun pa kami nun. Wala kayong ganun. Kami may actions kami nun. Wala kayo? Gusto mo ba kantahin ko yung alma mater? Hindi. Ka ba? Bawal yun. Hindi na ako Lasallian. Lycean na ako. Ay, hindi. Naging Lasallian, naging Lycean. Laging live streamer. naging idol. From Lycia, from Lasallian to Lycean, naging idol. Oh, bakit? Bakit? Ano naging kalbo? Uy, grabe. Grabing streamer to. Nahulaan nyo ba? Uy, number 5 tayo sa League B3. Wow. Sino yung first? Ito pa yung kumanta ng Torpe? O hindi? Akala ko siya. Okay guys, never mind. Huwag yun ang tignan, nakakahiya. Akala ko siya. Siya? Hindi okay. Check mo. Siya? Good night, Boy Beats. Thank you so much. Hello, Daniel. Ayan. Uy, sayang naman ayos ko. Parang gusto ko mag-TikTok. Thank you, JL. Tingnan mo si Okix. Hoy, naka-duty tayo. Samantalang siya, nandito din. Talaga naman. Thank you so much, JL. Lagot talaga kayo kay Doc Angel. Ay, Angel. Sino si Doc Angel? Sino yun? Si Doc AJ pala. Okay, Kuya Nurse. Para ka bang dal teacher. Nakakatakot na dal po ba? Babagsak kita. Hindi pwede mabagsak. Totoo ba? Guys, mag-i-end na ako. Naka-live kasi yung kumanta ng Torpe. Favorite ko yun eh. Re-request ko mo. Eme lang. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much guys. Sorry. Naka-close up. Nakakatakot yun. Jump scare. Ayun, everyone. So, galing nga kami silang. Magkukwento muna ako sa inyo. Galing nga kami silang. So, fiesta kasi sa silang. Ay! Nagulat ako. Nagulat ako. Ka-bluetooth pala. Tapos, ayun. Wala naman akong ginawa. Kung nakita niyo yung video ko, bored na ako niyan. So, kung ano na ginagawa ko kahit di ko alam yung steps. Kinagaling mo yan, Madge? Kahit di ko alam yung steps. Pero, ayun. Ayan. Thank you so much. Tapos si Kuya, kasi book kami pa uwi. Hiningi yung TikTok ko. Kami TikTok daw ako. Ay, ano daw yung TikTok ko. Wala lang, share ko lang. Anong gagawin? Guys, gusto niyo makita yung mga nabili ko sa Ukay? Mami, pairam nga ako, Mami. Mga nabili ko sa Ukay. Mag-haul tayo. Haul! Oh, eh. Ha? Guys, sige yung binili ni Mami. Eh. Tingnan mo yung binili ni Mami. Eh, yung angas talaga. Gatan mga pormahan ni Mami ngayon. Maangas na daw siya. Sabi niya sa akin. Wala lang, hiningin niya lang yung TikTok ko. Yun lang. Ito yung kasama ng 3 for 100. Wala dito, mami eh. Ito yung kasama ng 3 for 100. Joke lang, nandito pala. Yun yung isa, yung kay mami. Tapos yung isa, tinapon ko na. Sama ng ugali. Ito yung kasama sa 3 for 100. Di malinis yung mga ukay dun. Lalabang ko naman na to after that. Ayan o, ang cute, diba? Cute yan. Kaya mga ilam. Parang dress. Mas ang cute niya. Parang Korean style na dress. Tapos the rest, eto. 4,100. O, hindi ako nagbebenta TikTok Pinapakita ko lang yung pinili ko. 4,100. So, nakita ko kasi itong mga cute na So, magaling kasi ako okay. Ayan. Diba? It's so nice. 4 for 100. Ito pa isa. Diba? Ang gaganda ng mga nakita ko. Maganda yan pag, tinernohan. Walang issue. That magaling kayo pumili. Tapos eto, polo. Polo! Dito sa puso ka. Charet. Ayan. Polo siya. Eto, beige. Wala pa kasi yung beige na polo. So, puro ako white na polo. Kaya, wala akong polo. Hindi po ako nag-online selling. Pinapakita ko lang po yung mga nabili ko sa ukay. Hoy, tigilan nyo nga yung mine nyo. Pag ako na ba ni TikTok, sinasabi ko sa inyo. Pag ako talaga nawala sa music creator, sinasabi ko talaga sa inyo. Thank you po, Rod. Thank you so much po. Salamat po. Maraming salamat po sa mga bumalik talaga para manood ng ng live ko ngayon sa TikTok PH. Thank you po. Salamat po. Thank you po, Rod. Thank you so much po. Salamat po. Thank you po. Thank you so much. Salamat po. Walang pink. Tigilan nyo ako. Mukha pa akong live seller. May mic ako, Ano yan? Bakit ganyan yung mga nyo? Ay, ewan ko sa inyo. Hello, Phil. Hindi ako makatulog. Tickets po ng Bakit biglang naging live selling naman tong live ko? Ano ba yun? Bakit naging ganito? Guys, grabe kayo sa akin, Guys.
Promote ka ng Wonderful Moments. Malapit na concert.
Ha?
Wonderful Moments.
Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Ayan, welcome sa aking live So kung nakikita nyo ang yellow basket, nandyan lahat ng aking binibenta. Andito, meron tayong ukulele dito. Meron tayong mic, meron tayong ribbon, meron tayong mga damit. So kung gusto kong ma-restrict, hindi ko itutuloy ito. Hindi, joke lang. TikTok, isa po akong music creator. Hindi po ako live seller. Nagbibiro lang po ako. TikTok. Thank you so much. TikTok, don't ban me, please. TikTok, no restriction, please. It's just a prank, TikTok. It's a prank. Uy, TikTok got pranked. TikTok got pranked, guys. It's so funny. TikTok, you got pranked. Ito ginagawa ko. Alam niyo, ang ice-ice ko kanina. Ang ganda-ganda kong dalaga. Tapos bigla, nakapilik mata pa man din ako. Ng pink na kambing sa basket. Hindi na po available yung pink na kambing po natin. Kasi na ano na po siya, na-mine na po siya. Ang naka-mine po sa kanya ay si Gian. Kung gusto niyo po, i-bid niyo po. Higher price. Ay kasi po binili niya ng 50k. Baka gusto niyo pong bilhin ng 60k. Yung pink na kambing. Pakwan. Yung pakwan po namin, ginto po, kaya 70k po. Green na camel, wala na po. Inaubos na po. Opo. Yan. Mag-end na po ako, ano? Uy, tigilan nyo na pag ako talaga na-restrict. TikTok, you got pranked again! TikTok! It's just a prank again, TikTok. Uy, tigilan nyo na. Ma-restrict ako. Hello, Daniela Aquino! Magpaano na lang tayo dito. Anong kalbuhan? Thank you so much, Rod! Thank you so much! Thank you so much! Kalbuhan? Anong kalbuhan? Wait, tigilan nyo tong damit ko, ah. Ang ganda-ganda nga nito, eh. Hay nako, inggit lang talaga kayo. Ay, nang-aaway siya. Uy, si Tito Roger! Tito Roger, ba't hindi kayo pumunta kanina, Tito Roger? Hinahanap ka ng isa pang composer ng Budagasi. Tito Roger, idol ka pa naman nun. Ang pangalan niya ay si Hambim Barabis. Guys, di ba kilala niyo si Hambim Barabis? Di ba kababata mo yun, Kuya Arman? Halloween, di ba? Magkalaro kayo dati noon ni Hambim Barabis. Sayang di nakita ni Tito Roger. Kasi yung kantahin ko, guys, yung Budagasi song. Hambim Barabis Bistor. Oo, si Hambim Barabis Bistor. Ano siya, dati siyang composer, tapos, ayun, nag-live seller na lang siya. Nagbebenta siya ngayon. Naiintindihan niyo ako? Kamo yung mga taong bago lang dito. Siguro naguguluhan na sila sa nangyayari, ano? Oo. Ay, sorry. Nalungkot lang ako ng ilang kasi na-miss ko si Hambim Barabis. Kasi malalim yung pinagdaanan namin. Sakit. Sorry, guys. Nalala ko lang yung naglalaro kami sa putek ni Hambim Barabis. Tapos, nadapa siya. Tapos, pinagtawanan ko siya. Yun pala, huli na naming pagkikita yun. Sakit. Sakit, guys. Sobra. Naluluha ako sobra. Dear Hambim Barabis, namimiss ka na namin. nandito pa rin si Kuya Arman, nandito pa rin si Halloween. Naaalala mo ba? Naaalala mo ba yung mga pagkakataong magkalaro kayo sa putek? Nagbabatuhan kayo ng...
Ang aking puso
Nagbabatuhan kayo ng...
tanging larawan mo ang doon
Nagbabatuhan kayo ng pearls ng kambing.
nakakaya
Alam ko. Uy!
sa iyong pagmamahal. Hindi giliw ko hanggang sa
Alam niyo, ang bilis niyo. Ang bilis niyo gumawa ng account.
kay sarap.
Kami Berabis, naalala mo ba si Burabus? Si Burabus. Alam niyo guys, kwento ko lang, si Burabus, siya yung pinaka-close ni Hembin Berabis. Actually, sila talaga eh. Si Burabus. Ang apelido ni Burabus ay Bishta. Burabus Bishta. Ayoko. Naalala ko yung mga masasayang alaala namin. Heartless, imumute talaga kita. Namimiss na kita, Abang Barabes! Wow! Tama na, mag-end na ako. Ayoko na. Uy, sino naman yung Burabus? Ano yung sinasabi ko sa inyo? Bibilis na gumawa ng account. Ayoko na guys. Nawawala yung ayos ko. Ang ganda-ganda ko pa naman. Ayoko, hindi na pala kita namimiss. Joke lang pala. Kasi yung bimbarabis na. Ay, naku, ewan ko sa inyo. Sa amin po. Hindi po ako pwede magsama location eh. Mochilachi tachi yochi machi kachi inchi nochi. Nochi machi. Mochilachi. Achi nachi meche ronchi pachilachi manchi. Pachilachi manchi. Ah. Okay lang. Mochilachi nachi achi coaching like parang hindi. Hachi milk tea. Mochilachi. Oh, to. Ayan. Ayan. Ay, inaalam ko ano sinasabi ko. Mga chismoso, chismosa. Thank you, Adam. Thank you, Red. Thank you so much. Ayan, guys. So, anong milk tea? Ano kasi sa aming milk tea? Mema ka. Mema talaga to si Gian. Sinisipon ka. Medyo. Ayan. Thank you everyone. Salamat sa inyo. Teka lang. Check ko lang ko. Wait. 16.3k na tayo. Ang bilis no. Kaka 16k ko lang. 16.3k na tayo. Magpa-4 na ako. Siguro next live ma-achieve natin. 16.4. Ayaw ko sa inyo. Opo, Emanal 48 po ako. Hindi lang po halata. Sinasabi ko sa'yo, Halloween na. Ay, okay, kuya. Ikaw pala yan. Oo nga, kaya sabi ko yung profile. Sabi ko, ayan. Ano pa ba sasabihin ko? Wala. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. It's a girl group, anak. Ante Maloy, Ante Madge, Ante Sarina, Ante Wida. Yes po, Manila 48. Isa po kaming P-pop group. So kami pong kauna-unahang P-pop group dito sa Pilipinas. Kaya nga P-pop eh. Inaaway ko na naman yung sarili ko. Pero ayun, um, ako po ay nasa 5th generation na Manila 48. Tapos, ayun guys, thank you so much. Hindi po po tapos to. Ayan. Thank you so much everyone. Ayun. Hindi ko na alam sasabihin ko. Tulungan nyo naman kasi ako. Bigyan nyo ako ng topic, ganyan. Tapos kausapin nyo naman ako kasi nahihirapan ako eh. Oo, nahihirapan ako. Oo, hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam kung anong itatopic natin. Oo. Baka gusto nyo akong tulungan. Mag-ship na ulit. Tingilan mo ko heartless ah. Alam nyo, ngayon lang ako naging tahimik ng gato na hindi ko alam sasabihin ko. Naubos na talaga. Naubos na lahat ng kwento ko. Ay, okay. Yung may crush si Okix kay Gio. Okay, pag-usapan natin kung gaano kataas, kung ano yung percentage ng pagka-crush ni Okix kay Gio. At kamustahin rin natin si Jeff at si Harwin. At kamustahin din natin si JP at si Gamerzone. At kamustahin din natin. Andito ba sila? Wala sila, no? Wala dito si Gamerzone. Pero kanina nandun siya, 'di ba? Si JP dumaan ba? Wala po, natulog na kami. Pero si Gamerzone nandun kanina, 'di ba? Tama ba? Ay, ayan pala si JP. Or wala siya. Nandun si Gamerzone, 'di ba? Andito si Gamer. Ah, andun. Okay. Grabe, nakagahanap. Mga attendance talaga eh, no? Uy, pansinin niyo naman yung bagong profile ni Ram. Wow! Mirror shot! Wow! Grabe talaga si Ram. Ram, para kay ano yan, no? Gawin pagka-mirror shot. Wow! Asa OJT. Okay. Kota ka na, Ramil. Ay, what if i-ship natin si Gian tsaka si Ram? Giram. Ay, parang giraffe. Giram. O kaya, Ramji. Ay, o kaya, Raman. Ay, Raman! Ikaw, Raman! Ikaw, Raman! Uy, ang ganda nun. Feeling ko ship ko na kayo. Uy, wag kayo maiilang guys ha. Wag kayo maiilang. Okay lang yan. Ikaw naman, ikaw naman, kung papalarin ba, mapapasagin ka. Mga 1:20, ganon. Basta mga 1 na. Mga madaling araw na. Para may charge ko saglit yung phone ko. Oo nga pala, hindi nga pala tayo hanggang di